Hello YouTubers. In this video we're going to be replacing the cabin air filter in my 2009 Saab Aero all-wheel drive. So where is it and why are we starting here? Well, it's in here behind that panel. So first thing we want to do is pull up the rubber strip at least halfway, and the next thing we want to do is get a pry tool and pry up on this clip. Some of these clips, sometimes you have to push them in, push in the pin, and then pry up, but we'll give this a shot. This one popped out, still intact. And next, we want to lift up on this panel, and underneath this is our cabin filter. Looks like it's never been changed. All right, well, you know me, let me go get a vacuum cleaner and a rag and we'll clean this stuff up as we go. Okay, on the left side here, all we're going to do is pull up on the clip. And on the right side, it's got a little piece that wedges up in there. As you can see, that juts out, it kind of wedges in there. Anyway, it still just pulls straight up, and then you can reach in and grab the filter and then just pull it out. Being careful not to throw a bunch of crap and debris back down in the blower area, otherwise that'll cause a racket. So everything is cleaned out. Now I'm going to wipe it down with a rag and make it even cleaner. So this is our part. I will put a link to it in the description below. So what you're seeing here is how the filter is not down in there correctly. It's not seated properly. I'm about to show you how it should look. So the next thing to do are to close these pins back down. Let's get that one. And now let's grab this one here. Just clicks back into place, that's it. Okay, now let's pop back in our panel. Our inner panel. So this panel goes underneath the body and it just folds over that way for water just to flow away from the filter, and it just sits in here. No big thing. If you look here, it sits right into that crevice. So there's an alignment pin and then it just sits there. Okay. Let's put this back on so you can see I'm struggling. It's not where it wants to be. Let's bring it further up the side here. It wants to be up here. So I got something wrong. There, now it slips into place. Our alignment pin is right. And we're back to being good there. So it sits down in the crevice. Our gasket will slide on as though we were never here. Let's pop back in our pin. Job done. YouTubers, that's how you do it. No, not real rocket science. And I did look at this old part. It had been changed at some point because this is a Napa Gold. But it's been a long while. Anyway, YouTubers, if you like the video, like the video.